You've never had a sidekick that sounds this good. In this video, we'll help you set up your second-generation SoundLink Flex portable speaker. First, here's everything you should find inside the box. Your SoundLink Flex portable speaker, a USB-C charging cable, and finally, important documentation. Okay, now let's set up your speaker. Out of the box, your speaker will be in a sleep state. You'll need to connect the speaker to power in order to wake it up. Connect the USB-C side of the charging cable into the USB-C port on the left side of the speaker. Connect the other end into a USB power source, such as a computer or wall charger. Press the power button to turn your speaker on for the first time. By default, the speaker will be in pairing mode, and the Bluetooth light will slowly blink blue. If your speaker isn't in this state, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear
"Ready to connect."
You can store up to 6 devices in the speaker device list, and the speaker can be actively connected to up to 2 devices at a time. You can connect the speaker using your device's Bluetooth settings or with Fast Pair on supported Android devices. However, to fully enjoy all the features of your speaker, adjust settings, and receive future software updates, you'll need to download the Bose app. To quickly find the app, just scan this QR code inside the box. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and then tap Connect a Product or log in with a MyBose account. From the MyBose screen, tap Set Up New Product and then select Headphones, Earbuds, Portable Speakers, and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your speaker. Once it appears, tap Connect and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to finish setting up your speaker. The power light will slowly pulse white while charging. Allow up to 4 hours to fully charge the battery. The power light glows solid white when fully charged. With typical usage, a full charge will power the speaker for up to 12 hours. Finally, let's take a look at the controls located on the top of the speaker. In addition to the power and Bluetooth button, you'll see a shortcut button, volume down and volume up button, and a play-pause button. A double press of the play-pause button will skip to the next track, and a triple press will skip to the previous track. By default, the shortcut button is set to link 2 Bose Bluetooth speakers together. This will only work with Bose Bluetooth speakers that have a shortcut button. You can change your shortcut within the Bose app. Tap the shortcut button on the home screen to explore your options. Your Bose SoundLink Flex portable speaker is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.